Hi, I'm James from Code Inspector, and I'm excited to announce our new browser extension. Let's get started. After installing the extension from the Chrome Web Store, click on the Code Inspector icon in the extension toolbar to open up the pop-up. This will lead you to the options page where it will ask for your access and secret API keys. These keys can be found on your profile page on Code Inspector's website. After submitting the keys, navigate to the Repositories tab on your GitHub profile page, and results of the latest analyses for the projects you have added to Code Inspector will be displayed. As you work your way around the project, you will see badges for violations, duplicates, and complex functions highlighted in distinct colors to point out which directories or files need the most attention. In the file view, lines with errors will be highlighted based upon error type. Red for violations, yellow for duplicates, and blue for complex functions. Violation badges will also be highlighted based upon severity, going from blue as the least severe to gray, then yellow, then to red as the most severe. Upon clicking the badge, a drop-down will provide information on why the error shows. As you have seen, the extension provides your results directly on GitHub, so there's no more need to switch back and forth between tabs while looking at your code. Download today from the Google Chrome Web Store and try this very useful extension out for yourself.